So a little bit of a recap for what we've gotten done today. We started out this morning finishing off the trench for the grounding rod, and we were kind of in a hurry to get that done because today we've been scheduled to have rock dumped on our road, and we're trying to winterize it and make it so that we don't have just straight pit run, which are these big boulders that our driveways, it's the underbase for our driveway at the moment, and you can't really snow plow or snow blow anything off of it. It's just a really, really rough surface. So we were going to have the pad finished where we originally had our driveway brought in, and it stopped, and then we started building the shed. So we had that driveway finished, the base finished up to the shed, and then we had them come back now, and that's what they're doing at the moment, is dropping rock down the road. It's a top rock, and then Terry's pushing it around with the tractor. We've been kind of swapping off back and forth, but he's been doing the bulk of the work today for that, since he's more familiar with his tractor than I am. It's ended up taking a lot more rock than we had planned, but that's okay. We'll just throw the extra money at it and have a decent driveway that'll be easy to get snow off of this winter. And it'd be something that we won't get stuck on in the spring when everything melts off. That's pretty much been today. That's it. It's all we've done is dig and push rock around.